Right now, while you are scrolling, someone is working twice as hard as you, thinking 10 times faster, and is ready to take everything you own. The world doesn't care about your potential, your dreams, or your good heart. It only cares about what you can do for it. If you disappeared tomorrow, your job would be posted on LinkedIn before your body was cold. Your friends would move on in weeks, and the world would keep spinning as if you never existed. This is the brutal reality of the 21st century. You are just a replaceable part in a massive machine. But the Stoics knew this secret thousands of years ago. They didn't seek comfort. They prepared for the day they would be deleted. Today, we are not here to motivate you. We are here to wake you up. It's time to become irreplaceable or get deleted. We all like to think we are special, but to the economy and society, you are a number. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful emperor, wrote that life is but a fleeting opinion, and the universe is constant change. If you rely on your job title, your looks, or your current bank balance, you are building your house on sinking sand. The moment a better, cheaper, or faster version of you comes along, you are out. Most people live in denial, thinking, it won't happen to me. But a Stoic looks the monster in the eye. He knows that his only true value is his character and his mind, the only two things that cannot be copied by eye or stolen by a rival. Stop being a part and start being the source. Your biggest enemy isn't a competitor. It's your own comfort. Comfort makes you soft, and soft things are easily broken. While you are relaxing, the world is evolving. Seneca warned that no man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself. Every day you choose the easy path, you are making yourself more replaceable. You are becoming a commodity, something that can be bought and sold at a discount. To be irreplaceable, you must seek the friction. You must do the things that others are too lazy, too scared, or too soft to do. Excellence is the only shield against replacement. In a world of copy-paste, be the original. People are being replaced because they all think the same, talk the same, and act the same. They are predictable. A Stoic builds an uncopyable mind by mastering his emotions and sharpening his logic. When everyone else is panicking, you stay calm. When everyone is chasing the trend, you stay on your mission. This mental toughness is your competitive advantage. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be the only one who can handle the pressure you handle. That is how you become a category of one. This is why ghost mode isn't just a trend. It's a survival strategy. You disappear not to hide, but to reinvent. While the world thinks you are out of the game, you are actually upgrading your system. You are learning the skills that will make you a ghost in their machines. Untraceable, unmatchable, and unstoppable. Stop telling people what you'll do. Let them think they've replaced you. Let them celebrate your absence. By the time they see you again, you will be playing a game they don't even know exists. Silence is the forge where irreplaceability is hammered out. Most people break at the first sign of trouble. They cry, they complain, and they quit. This makes them easy to replace. But if you can suffer better than anyone else, you win. Epictetus taught we should welcome difficulties, like a wrestling coach welcomes a tough opponent. It makes you stronger. When you endure long hours, isolation, and constant rejection without losing your cool, you become dangerous. You become the person that companies, partners, and the world are desperate to keep. Because a man who cannot be broken is the rarest thing on earth. The world rewards what you do in public, but it respects what you do in private. Stop chasing applause from replaceable people. Their praise is a poison that makes you complacent. Instead, chase the private victory. Win the war against your alarm clock. Win the war against your distractions. Win the war against your ego. If you are a master of yourself, the world has no choice but to follow you. You're not here to fit in to their system. You're here to build a system where you are the foundation. The crown is not given. It is taken through consistent, quiet excellence. The clock is ticking. Every second you spend being average is a second closer to your replacement. You have two choices today. Keep being the nice, comfortable, replaceable person the world wants you to be. Or embrace the Stoic fire, go into the dark, and become the version of yourself that cannot be deleted. If you choose the fire, comment irreplaceable and subscribe to claim your power. Thank you for watching the Stoic Dailies. Now, go back to the shadows and work until they can't ignore you anymore. The world is ready to replace you. Don't let it.